yung kasagutan. Mahabang panahon, makamit ko lang ang pag-ibig mo. Asahan mo, aking mahal, ikaw lang ang pag-ibig ko, magpakailanman hindi magbabago. Tibok ng puso ko'y ikaw pa rin. Be! Patulugin mo na yan kay manghiram ka ng kayuran. Asahan mo. Malaki na ito. Kuku mama. Kuku mama, kuku mama, kuku mama. Kuku mama, kuku mama. Kuku mama, kuku mama. Hi, Alta. Good morning. Good morning. Morning ba ba ngayon? Good afternoon na pala. It's good afternoon. I'm from Philippines. Thank you for joining to my live. I am preparing to cook. This one is moringa. Moringa. I'm going to cook this one with coconut milk later. After peeling. I also gonna put some moringa leaves on it. Para it's more delicious. Jessie Gilantes, good morning. It's my birthday today. I turned 30. Oh, really? Happy birthday to you, Jessie. Yan. May you have many more birthdays to come. And God bless you more. More happiness, more blessings. And also thank you for joining. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo. Sa tuwing birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya. Katulad ngayon, mukha mo'y masaya. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy, happy birthday to you. Na 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 na. Happy birthday mo ngayon. Lahat ay magtipon-tipon, magsaya sa maghapon. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Halina, way pagpalain ka ng buong